Alright, pay attention here. This is your lesson in changing work offsets. We're going to use a couple of empty tool containers for an example. So basically, if you need to move your part, the machining on the part, if you need to move it to the left, so in the x-axis, you need to go to the left, like you got to move that feature that way. That would be x minus. If you had to move the feature that way, it would be x positive. Okay. If you have to move it towards you, towards the front of the machine, it would be y minus, and towards the back of the machine would be y plus. All right. In this case, and then of course z would be if you needed to lower it. That would be z minus. If you needed to raise it up, that would be z positive. Okay. In this case, you'll go to offset. Sometimes you have to hit it twice because you're going to want to have this part of the screen white. Page down to 40, and then arrow to 40. Alright, now whatever the numbers are in here, I'm just going to put numbers in. Alright, you're going to be changing 40, 41, 42, and 43, because those are the offsets used for setup 3. Right now it looks to me like you need to move your y-axis needs to go minus 7.5, maybe 8 thousandths. So you'd hit minus 0.008, and it shows it in the corner right there. And then before you hit enter, watch the number that you're changing. So we're going to change that 5. We're going to reduce it by 8 thousandths. Now your numbers are negative, so when you go a negative number, it's going to actually go to a higher number because it's negative. So I'll show you that. So minus 5.52. Alright, so now it's a minus number, and then we would go minus 0.008. Shows up there on the screen. You watch your number, you hit enter. Minus 5 inches and 8 thousandths. Alright, and then the same goes for any of the others. It's incremental moves, but always watch the numbers to make sure they change according to what you want to see, because it's easy enough to hit the wrong buttons, and changing an offset is something that, you know, can be really bad. If you misplace a decimal and you move it by 80 thousandths instead of 8 thousandths, you could have some real problems. So that's it for now.